Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, The Pinay Couponer, and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to my channel, welcome! My name is Vanessa. And today guys, please join me in packing my Balikbayan boxes or care packages to the Philippines. And most of the items that I will pack guys and put in the boxes are from my couponing stockpile. And I have a video for that guys, actually two videos, part 1 and part 2. If you haven't watched them yet, I will link them in the description box below. Please check them out. So let's get started. So I am using this scotch strapping packaging tape guys. This is really good. My courier also said that this is really good packaging. And I put right here guys all over. I will still put some more. And that's about it. Okay guys, so I already put packaging all over the bottom. This is a clear tape guys, and I put all over. So yeah, so this is how I do it guys. So in this box I put all the shampoo and conditioner, and then there's still more space, so I put the deodorants, and there's still space a little bit guys, so I'm going to think what to put so I can really maximize the use of this box. And this box goes to the Balikbayan box. So I will show you a clip on how I did the wrapping. I just wrap all over, and the shampoo I just wrap the tip. And right here, this box is full of the toothpaste and toothbrushes, and I also put some of the razors. See guys, so at the bottom are the toothpaste. And this box is mixed with the lotion and body washes. See guys, I wrapped each one. In this box I will put all the chocolates. So here it is now guys. So this small pack here, the snack size, I just took them away from the pack so I can have some space and I can close it properly like this. Perfect. And in this box guys, I already put all of the pain relief or the fever reducer, and I'll put some of the vitamins. And this pack right here guys, I'll put all the bar soaps. I hope these all fit in 2 Balikbayan boxes guys. There are still more items to put, and since it has still space guys, I put makeup remover on top of the bar soaps. Then I put them individually in a ziploc. Okay guys, so I have everything outside already in the garage. I hope this all fit in the box guys, fingers crossed. So this one right here guys, 2 boxes I already sealed. These are the makeups, and then here I sealed already. This box contains the chocolates. Then right here are the toothbrushes, toothpaste, and the razors. And I have here the hair colors and some of the serum, and then the box of body washes and lotion. It's still not full, so I will put something in there. And then this one is the bar soaps and the makeup remover. And right here, the vitamins and the medicines. And then I also have a box here, guys, with some Nutella. And then these cereals, guys. And then I have one of these. Some more Nutella. Okay, Nutella. And then I have this box of Nutella. And I have this Ensure for Mama. And then there is Spam. Okay, so here are the pads and liners. And then this box, the deodorant and the shampoo and conditioner. I put some of the razors too to fill the box. Yeah, I hope this all fit in my 2 boxes, guys. This box, guys, I made a mistake. I packed first the top but it's okay. I know it will work. So let's start putting everything in the box, and first I will seal each boxes with clear tape. Guys, since this one still has a little space, so I put some pads here to fill up the gap. See? I save space, guys, for my pads. Right? Same thing with the first box, guys. I also filled some pads, the box of the shampoo and conditioner and the razors. So I put the big boxes now, and then this box right here, guys, cannot fit anymore, so I have to transfer it to a smaller box like this. Alright, guys, so I already transferred some of the pain reliever and the vitamin C, and I put some pads to fill up the gap, and I will put some more here, then I close it. Alright, guys, so I think I can still pack some more, guys, because I have some spaces here, and then this box is almost full, but I have to fill the gaps here and there. Yeah, and I have these vitamins here and the hair color, so I have to find a box for this small box, then I'll pack some more. Okay, guys, so I found a box that fit here, guys, and I already put some of my vitamins there, and then there is still space, so I will just put some more of this makeup remover. I put it in the ziploc, and then I will wrap it with the clear tape. this, guys, I'll put some razors here. Perfect. Okay, guys, so I already put everything that I packed, and my box is still not full, and here almost full. I just need to fill out the gaps right here, then I'm good to go. But this one I still have space, so I added some more of the hair colors here, and these ones are hair colors. Yeah, I have to get something from my stockpile. Okay, guys, so I packed some more of the shampoo, and I took some of the razors, toothpaste, and toothbrushes, guys, just to fill in the gaps. And I will have to fill this up, guys. You see, guys, toothbrushes and Colgate are the best items to put in the gap. Alright, guys, so my boxes are now full. You see, everything is filled up already. I put some of the liners here, and yes, everything is compact now. And then right here, guys, I added some more shampoos, hair treatment, Colgate and Crest toothpaste, mouthwashes, and I added some more of the body washes, and yeah, and razors, and also pads in box. I didn't take it out, but I will have to take out some more of the pads and liners to fill this gap right here, guys. And yeah, and this box here, guys, it's empty because I will put the chocolates snack size. I have 3 packs there, but I still need to do a video haul. So after that, I will take them out from the pack and put them right here. Finally, guys, this box is now full. I just need to cover this one with this one, and we'll close it. Finally, guys, I'm done my packing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And if you wanna know how to coupon, guys, to get more savings in your Balikbayan boxes, please consider to subscribe. Every week, I post my video haul, guys, and I show you how to coupon. So please consider to subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I post my video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.